Welcome to my channel. Today we have tomato chicken recipe. It's one of the best way to cook chicken. Trust me, it's better than malai chicken, butter chicken and many more chicken recipes. Simple to cook and good in taste. So let's go for it. We have chicken cut into small pieces, tomatoes, onion and green chilies. I'll show you how I have cut my onions. We have ginger paste, garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder and black pepper powder. We'll heat our pan and wait for oil to heaten up. Once our oil is heated, we'll add our onion into it and fry it to golden brown. Our onion and tomato will decide the quantity of gravy we'll get. So choose accordingly the quantity of onion and tomato. We'll fry it to golden brown. It will turn crispy. We'll fry it on a high flame. Our onion seems to be ready. At this point, we'll add our chicken into it. It's almost done. We are adding our chicken into it and salt. Give it a stir. Now we will add turmeric powder into it. Generally I use a lot of turmeric powder in this recipe. Give it another stir. Cook for 2 minutes and add your cumin powder, black pepper powder, chili powder and ginger garlic paste. Now cook it on the same high flame until the raw flavor of ginger and garlic is gone. I have been cooking it for 10 to 12 minutes. Now I'll add my tomatoes into it. At this point, we'll slow down our flame. We'll now cook our chicken on a low flame. After putting tomato, we'll cook our chicken on a low flame. Our chicken seems to be ready. As we can't see the tomatoes we have added. If you want to add water, add a little bit of water. We have not used water in this recipe. So here I have given a little water. Now cook for another 5 minutes on a low flame. And it's ready. Our tomato chicken is ready. Please try out my recipe and do not forget to give your feedback in the comment section below. Your little gesture of appreciation will motivate me to work harder. So keep watching cooktube raunak. Thanks for watching. and have a good day.